and since some hail being reported at 104th and southwestern with that particular part of the storm as well. And that's just west of Stanley Draper. And then as it looks on up to the northeast, there's Kemper Air Force Base that you can see in the projection right there. No tornado warnings, no significant circulation at this time with this storm. But certainly, we're watching everything very closely at all times with these storms as we continue to get under tornado watch until 11 p.m. Now, areas that are behind the cold front, you don't have to worry about it as far as tornado watch goes in the morning. There's going to be some heavy thunderstorm activity, and we're seeing the winds switch around in the Norman area now, so that indicates to me that the cold air continues to build southward. And right now, there's an easterly wind at Norman, so that's indicating that this one is still getting some pretty good inflow, at least right above the surface. So that indicates that this storm is pretty intense, even though it's not necessarily tornadic. And also, very intense storm continues southwest of Chickasha, back in Wilcox, and then back down to the Sterling area. Again, where they're cleaning up apparently for what appears to be some tornado damage between Elton and Sterling in the Fletcher area as well. And do have a report of a trailer house that was moved up its foundation 4 miles east of Elgin, where people trapped in the trailer. That was from the fire department, and that was about 8 minutes ago that that report came in. So that's what's going on south and west. The entrance to the Chickasha area. Just going to need to watch that area until it's going through earlier. This windstorm in Kingfisher is rotating a little bit, not nearly as strong as the one we saw